Okay, so it's October 2024 and you might have noticed if you've recently upgraded to Windows 11 Home 24H2, the latest update as of October 2024, then you may well have noticed something is missing, and that something is Wordpad. When you try searching for it now, it comes up Wordpad, but when you click on it, all it does, it just gives you help or a download button. If I click on download there, doesn't really give us anywhere where we can actually download it. So what do you do? Well, this guide is going to show you how you can re-download Wordpad for Windows 11. Stick around. All the details coming up shortly. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So as I say, if you've just updated to Windows 11 24H2, then you're probably going to find that Wordpad has been removed from your computer. Unfortunately, Microsoft are retiring Wordpad and they're basically saying either use Word or Notepad. Now, Notepad isn't any good and Word you generally have to pay for. Wordpad was sort of like a cross between Notepad and Word. It was a real basic word processor that was included in versions of Windows from 95 and later. But admittedly, not many people use it, although I do still know a few people that use it, and therefore that's why I think it's important that you still have it. It can be handy for those times when you perhaps don't have a word processor and just want to write a very quick brief letter, or you just want to store something on your computer, so a few notes, a few words. You maybe want to write down your thoughts. It's handy, just handy to have. You can do some basic formatting with it, but admittedly, it's not going to be anywhere near as good as Word, LibreOffice or OpenOffice. So how do you get Wordpad back on your system? Well, all you do is just open your browser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Google Chrome and then go to the address bar right at the top of the screen, not the search bar in the middle of the screen, but the address bar right at the top, and type in there cwtek.co.uk/W for whiskey, D for Delta, all in lowercase and no spaces. So that's cwtek.co.uk/WD. Then press enter or return on your keyboard. And if you've got that address right, you should see this page here. Now, if you see this cookie notice come up, then just manage your cookies or just click consent, really up to you. And then scroll down to essential Windows downloads. And in there, you will see Wordpad for Windows 11. Left click once on that. And then if you get any adverts come up, just click on the cross to get rid of them. And that will take you to WinAero's website. This is who developed Wordpad for Windows 11, or restructured it, remastered it so that you could put it back on Windows 11. Just scroll down a little way here and you will see in green and white there, download Wordpad. Move your mouse over that, left click once. Then you should see it download. Hopefully after a few seconds, it's not that big, it should be downloaded. So let's just close down the browser and go to any yellow folder and then find downloads. So there you go, there's downloads on the left there or downloads up the top there. Doesn't matter, just click on either one and then you should see Wordpad. Now click on the right mouse button, that's the button on the right hand side of the mouse, not the left, and then left click extract all. Then click extract just at the bottom of this window here, and then you want to double click on Wordpad setup. Now mine's got Wordpad 1.0 setup, that's the version number. That may change over time. Whatever number you've got there doesn't really matter, just as long as you double click on Wordpad. That should be enough. Now it says here, Microsoft Defender Smart Screen prevented an unrecognised app from starting. Running this app might put your PC at risk. So it's okay. This is a perfectly legitimate app. It's not going to put your PC at risk. It's just that Windows Defender or your antivirus may not know about it. So if you see this message, click on more info and then just click run anyway. Okay, so you might see, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Move your mouse over yes, left click once, and then click on next. just there, then click on next again, click on next again, and then finally click on install. Let that install and then click on finish, and Wordpad will now open. And also in the background you'll get like a few little notes about classic Wordpad for Windows 11 and the reason why they made this, so you have a look through that. But more importantly, now Wordpad is back on your system. Now first of all, what I would say is close it down and let's just go back to the downloads window, and you've probably got 2 Wordpads there. We just want to delete those. So click on the first Wordpad, just click on it once and then click on the bin up there. Click on the second Wordpad again, click on it once, click on the bin, and there you go. That's the download file gone. But as you can see, Wordpad is still shown there. So we've put a nice little shortcut on our system and that opens it up. Just click on that little icon just there, just to maximize the screen. And I think Wordpad should also be in our start menu as well. So if I click on start and then just type Word, and there you go, you've got under best match Wordpad app. Left click once on that and there you go. Wordpad now opens instead of a website telling you about what Wordpad was. Okay, but what if you want to get rid of it? What if you don't want it installed on your system any longer? Then all you need to do, click on the start button and just type on your keyboard installed space apps, and then hopefully after a few seconds under best match you should see installed apps, system settings. Left click once on that and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list, or virtually to the bottom, and you should see somewhere down there Wordpad for Windows 11 just there. Left click once on the 3 dots just to the right of the size, and then left click uninstall, left click uninstall again, click on yes if this screen appears, and then click on yes again, and that should uninstall it. And there you go, you get confirmation Wordpad for Windows 11 was successfully removed from your computer. Click on OK and then click on the cross in the top right hand corner to shut down installed apps. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you can't do that, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great links down there for you to various things, including my Amazon shop, which contains all the things I love at the moment on Amazon: Fire TV sticks, Fire TV cubes, and VPNs. Buying, subscribing and donating really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching to bring you these great videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you do see any videos that you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like to see, then please don't forget to share these videos on your social media timelines. You can check me out on X, I'm at CWTEK. You can also check out my website, it's cwtek.co.uk. Thanks for watching and speak to you again soon.